Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you different beautiful decoration arts. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas. We post new videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel. Model helicopter. Model size 5.3 x 2.6 x 3.2 in 0.13.5 x 6.78.2 cm. Package size 6.5 x 3.5 x 0.2 in 0.16.5 x 9/2 cm. Number of components 8. Estimated time of assembly 0.5 hours. U-Gears wooden model helicopter for kids. Estimated time of assembly 30 minutes. Estimated time for painting 2 hours plus. 3D wooden coloring model helicopter for children from 5 years old, as well as grown-ups of any age. Color as you like, acrylic, gouache, watercolor, markers, you can use whatever you have. You can color the model by doing yourself, with friends or the whole family. Delicate contour lines on wooden parts show all the necessary parts of the helicopter to make it easy to paint. Cognitive and developing, as well as in the real helicopter, the model includes a cockpit, an air screw with blades, a chassis and a tail keel for control. The model demonstrates the device of the helicopter and elements of mechanics. 3 blades of the helicopter's propeller rotate around its axis. Assembles easily and is fun to play with. Develops engineering skills, spatial thinking and fine motor skills. Captures the imagination of children for a long time. Assembles easily, all component parts are already cut off and can be easily removed from the board. The model assembles like a puzzle without glue and special tools by following an illustrated color manual. While children are collecting some blocks, the adults can suggest their help. The joining parts are cut off precisely for the slots, and for the assembly, you only need to insert the component pins, pressing them with your fingers. But if the fingers are too small, it may need some help. J. Likeable. With the help of fantasy, imagination and creative talents of young and adult artists, each U-Gears coloring model gets a unique and beautiful look that will keep your spirits up being on the top of your desk.
Well viewers, that's all we have for today. Which ones did you like? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.